This is the Avaya 1608i IP phone. The 1608i is a cost-effective IP telephone. It is perfect for users who receive a low volume of calls each day, such as sales staff or cubicle workers. The 1608i features 8 lines and keys for common functions, including conference, transfer, drop, hold, mute, contacts, redial, speaker, and headset. Included with the Avaya 1608i is the phone stand, handset, and handset cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.